How to view description on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can view your description on YouTube. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. To view description on YouTube, it's fairly simple for us to do that. Let's say you're watching YouTube and then you're watching a certain video. Once you open a certain video, you want to view its description. To view the description of the video, you just tap on the title of the video. As you do that, you will see the description. In some cases, if the description is quite long, you will find the View More button, which you can then further do to view the full description. This is for a video. Now let's say you're watching a YouTube short. For a YouTube short also, we can actually find the YouTube description. To do that, you can either long press on the YouTube short and go to the option called description, or you can just tap the three dots option from top right, then go to description. But to give you a basic context, this is how you can view description on YouTube. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.